don't get stuck on your Malaysia trip. With these apps, you'll navigate, eat, and explore with zero hassle. 1. Grab. First on the list is Grab, Malaysia's comprehensive everyday everything app. Beyond ride-hailing, Grab offers food delivery, grocery shopping, and even an integrated eWallet for seamless cashless transactions. With Grab, you can navigate the bustling streets, savor local delicacies, and manage payments effortlessly, all within a single platform. 2. Shopee, Malaysia's leading online shopping platform. From home essentials to fashion and electronics, Shopee provides a vast array of products at competitive prices. The app also features daily deals, vouchers, and a user-friendly interface, making online shopping convenient and rewarding. Additionally, Shopee offers food delivery services, ensuring you have access to your favorite meals with attractive offers. 3. Touch and Go eWallet. For seamless payments and public transport access, the Touch and Go eWallet is indispensable. This app allows you to manage your Touch and Go card, widely used for public transportation and toll payments across Malaysia. The eWallet feature enables cashless transactions at various merchants nationwide. Please note, a Malaysian phone number is required for registration. 4. Waze. If you're planning to drive, Waze is your go-to navigation app. Offering real-time traffic updates, road alerts, and the fastest routes, Waze ensures you reach your destination efficiently. Its community-driven data provides insights into road conditions, accidents, and speed traps, making your driving experience in Malaysia safer and more informed. 5. Klook. Lastly, Klook is a must-have when exploring Malaysia. Need tickets for attractions, a guided tour, or even transport? Klook makes it super easy to plan your trip. You'll find great deals, handy itineraries, and everything you need in one place. It's the perfect way to discover Malaysia's top spots and hidden gems without the hassle. These 5 apps make traveling in Malaysia easy and stress-free. Download them now and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Safe travels. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels.